Welcome to Customs and Traditions. My name is Miriam from the Gwinnett County Public Library. Today we'll be talking about the origins of two of Jamaica's most popular traditional dishes. First, we will delve into the origin of ackee and saltfish, and then we will talk a little bit about our Easter tradition of bun and cheese. Ackee and saltfish is Jamaica's national dish and the favorite breakfast for Jamaicans everywhere. However, it did not originate in Jamaica. Ackee is the national fruit. It came to Jamaica from Ghana through the slave trade of the 1700s. The name originates from the Ghanaian word Anki in the Twi language. The scientific name, Blaya sapida, honors Captain William Bligh from the Mutiny on the Bounty fame, who took the fruit from Jamaica to the Royal Botanical Gardens in England in 1793. Outside of Jamaica, ackee is not sold fresh, but is readily available in cans and can be found in online grocery stores or Main Street supermarkets throughout the U.S. Saltfish, or salted cod, was also a product of the slave trade. Many West Indian slave owners relied on imported salt fish as a cheap form of nourishment for the slaves. In fact, trade in saltfish from Nova Scotia to plantation and slave owners in the Caribbean was so high that by 1889, the Bank of Nova Scotia opened a branch in Kingston, Jamaica to support the lucrative trade, thus becoming the first bank ever to expand outside of its country of origin. The pairing of ackee and saltfish is still a mystery. However, this original combination of these two ingredients does create a meal that is both subtle and bold. Ackee has a soft texture and a delicate, nutty taste, neutral enough to absorb the flavor of whatever it's cooked with. Combined with the saltiness and firm, dry texture of saltfish, produces a mouth-watering taste. Ackee and saltfish is best enjoyed with fried dumplings or festivals, which is a variation of dumplings with just a little added sweetness. Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt calls it the breakfast of champions. The Jamaican Easter bun is a descendant of the hot cross bun from Britain. Hot cross buns were traditionally eaten by the English on Good Friday and are a derivative of ancient buns made by the Greeks and Egyptians at around 1500 BC to honor the goddess Astarte. However, the English depicted a cross to symbolize the crucifixion of Jesus. The tradition made its way to Jamaica when they colonized the island in the mid-1600s. Over time, the bun transitioned from the roundish shape into a loaf, molasses was substituted for honey, and dried fruits were added to the batter to make it uniquely ours. No one is sure how the cheese was added into the mix, but we're not going to question that because the combination of the sweetness of the bun and the sharpness of the cheese is excellent. I hope you enjoyed the origins of our most loved traditional dishes and try the recipes for yourself. As we Jamaicans like to say, It tastes airy. See you next time.